Hello and welcome to Goa. Hello and welcome to Goa. And today we have come at Rajbagh Beach. So Rajbagh Beach is basically the last beach of Goa. So today I am going to show you the last beach of Goa. I have been to all the beaches of Goa from first beach till last beach. So this is the last beach of Goa. So now I am going to show you the Rajbagh Beach. This is the last beach of Goa. It's a beautiful beach, isolated beach. Nobody is found over here right now. I'll show you how it looks. You can have a look at it. See, nobody is around. Nobody is there. The other beach which you can see across that small mountain, that is Patnam Beach, and beyond that is Palolem Beach. There you can see mountains. Those are Palolem Mountains. Very nice beach. Water is also blue in color. Water is clean. Some shacks are open, but nobody is over there. I can see some shacks. Even during the peak season, nobody comes over here because this is very isolated beach. This is last beach of Goa. But this year, because of Corona, nobody has come over here. So the entire beach is empty, and beyond this, Karnataka starts. Karwar and Gokarna. This is the end point of Goa. From here Karnataka starts. You can see some shacks are over here. Some beach beds are kept, but all are empty. Behind these shacks is the Lalit Hotel, the 5-star hotel, the Lalit Resort. The trees which you can see from here, those are the Lalit Resorts. It's a nice place, but right now it's empty. Nobody is over here. One alone lifeguard is sitting over there. You can see trees at a distance. There are trees over there. But nobody is over here. The yellow building which you can see, that is the Lalit Resort. See all big trees, nothing. There are few empty shacks over here, but nobody is there. But this place is very beautiful, very peaceful, very nice. You will enjoy the calmness and peacefulness of this place. Very nice place. Some dogs are barking. See, I think they got disturbed because of me. So I am trespassing into their territory. That's why they are barking at me. They want me to move out. So this is all about the Rajbagh beach, the last beach of Goa. It's a nice beach, but nobody comes over here. With this, by coming over here, I have covered all the beaches of Goa. I have been to all the beaches of Goa. I have seen all the beaches of Goa. But I can say South Goa beaches are very, you can say, clean, peaceful. The water is clean and they are not very crowded. And North Goa beaches, the water is not that clean. The water is murky. Those beaches are very crowded. There are too many people, and it's like that. So you can enjoy both these beaches, but I like the South Goa beaches because these are peaceful. And North Goa beaches are basically for party loving people who love to listen loud music, trance music, parties which happen in Anjuna, Morjin, all these places. Those places have a hippie vibe. So if you are into party and all that, you visit North Goa. And if you love the nature, if you love the beaches, adventure, nature and peaceful places, then you come to South Goa. It's like that. So generally Russians go to North Goa and European people visit South Goa. It's like that. So everybody has a different taste, so they visit beaches according to their taste, whatever they like. It's like that.